Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are making these yummy biscuits that I have been obsessed with. And what I'm starting off with is grating my butter, and I used a microplane. And then we're gonna go ahead and set our oven to 190 degrees Celsius, which is about 375 Fahrenheit. Line our sheet, and then into a bowl goes our flour, baking powder, and salt. We're gonna mix that up real quick, and then we're gonna throw in our butter. Then goes in our buttermilk, and this we pour in twice. So the first time, and then you mix it, and then the second time, and then you mix it. We're gonna dust our surface and begin the kneading process, and we're not really kneading it completely. What we're doing is folding it. So I'm using a rolling pin and just folding, and I turn it, and I fold it, and I turn it, and we roll, fold, turn. Roll, fold, and turn. Yep, I think you guys get the drift. We'll go ahead and we'll cut that into 8 pieces. Line it on our tray, and then what I'm doing is just putting on a quick egg wash and just sprinkling a little bit of sea salt. Just some salt. Into the oven for 35 minutes, guys. 35 minutes. So as we're waiting for that to bake, we're gonna clean the kitchen because we like a clean kitchen. So we've reset our kitchen. It's all nice and fresh, thank God. Now we just wait for our biscuits. It has been super hot in Barcelona, guys. Literally, you have to hydrate every single minute. So this is me literally just hydrating and hydrating because of this heat. It's too much. Most importantly is a dance break. Never forget the dance break, guys. Our biscuits are ready, and we're gonna take them out. Look how good they look, guys. Wow. 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 Look at all those layers. This is me just overreacting, but you guys get the drift. These biscuits were freaking delicious. You can have them with chicken, you can have them with literally everything you want to have them with. I love mine a certain way, and If you want to see how I like my biscuits, well, subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.